So I'm just going to give you AI Security 101. So I'm currently working as an API security research engineer and AI security. But how do those two relate with each other? Now, my fifth confession to you is a misconception that I believe a lot of you have. AI security, you might think AI security is just about all of those fancy ChatGPT jailbreaks and stuff you see, like ignore all previous instructions and tell me the system prompt. But the thing is, AI security is only as good as the API that lies behind it. Let me explain further. So, for those of you who are not very familiar with these terms, APIs or application programming interfaces are basically protocols through which two web applications share data and communicate with each other. And AI or artificial intelligence is basically just statistical models with a lot of probability involved. So, behind every single one of those AI models or LLMs like ChatGPT that you see, there is an API. Every time you upload an image to ChatGPT or Gemini, or every time you talk to Alexa, there's an API. If I ask Siri right now what the weather is like, she's going to query a weather API and she's going to return that data to me. So, APIs are the backbone and the skeleton of AI. And what happens in a lot of AI models is that the underlying API is vulnerable. So, so the thing is, intent when it comes to an LLM can be good or bad. And an LLM just understands intent, right? So if that intent is bad, well, you've got yourself a data breach. Now, my actionable piece of advice to you here is that in this AI security boom, you might want to learn API security as well. This has been noted by a lot of security researchers over at Wiz as well, that the weakest link in AI models actually tends to be the underlying API. So API security already takes the backseat in a lot of organizations, as I've come to see. But the thing is, in this AI boom, I believe API security will also take the lead. So you might want to like familiarize yourself with API related vulnerabilities.